No one must know that Daisy was dry. Promise.
I rang, I wrote, I implored. Not a single one of the sparkling hundreds that enjoyed his hospitality attended the funeral. And for Daisy, not even a flower. That was all he had. The only one who cared.